What's going on, guys? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can go ahead and view your entire comment history on YouTube. And this is how to do it on a laptop or desktop computer. If you're new to the channel and you find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, tips and tricks and how-tos for everything tech and digital related. So if we come across and open up our internet browser, and what we want to do first is come across to youtube.com. It's fairly easy to do this. Once you've come across to youtube.com, just make sure you're logged into your account, which you'll see in the top right hand corner if you're logged in. If not, it will say sign in. And what you then need to do is, on this menu on the left hand side, you just need to click onto this button here which says history. And what you need to then do is click onto this one down here on the right hand side which says comments, just down here. That's going to open up a new tab, Google My Activity, and you can see you've got the dates here and all the comments. Now what's happened, you can actually scroll down and see every single comment on all the videos. So I hope you found that helpful, and if you did find that helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to help support and grow the Digital Tutor channel, there'll be a link below to purchase a cup of coffee for the team, which will be much appreciated. And I'll see you in the next one.